Meaning of disenfranchise.
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 Disenfranchise. The word disenfranchise refers to any action taken that deprives an individual or a group of people of their rights or privileges, especially the right to vote. Such actions can result in people feeling excluded and powerless, and can lead to a loss of trust in the democratic process. It is a form of oppression that can have far-reaching consequences, affecting not only the individuals or groups who are directly impacted, but also society as a whole. Ultimately, disenfranchisement can lead to a breakdown in the social fabric, creating a more unequal and unjust society.